Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here is another product, that is WD My Passport, and you won't believe this is the hard disk of 4 terabyte. And when I saw the price over there, the price was written there 13,350 rupees, and I got it in 12 to 13,000 rupees, near about 12,000 rupees. Yeah, exactly. This one is really very nice, and here you can see there it has been written password protection per, so that's why it's actually very nice. You can take all the backup and you can protect it with the password, and you can take the backup as well, and they will give you 3 years limited warranty with this. The color is also very nice, and I'll tell you exactly how it will work. I'll connect with my laptop, then we'll let you know. So here, let me open it up for you guys. Let's see. In fact, I didn't open it up, and it's been so long when I got this, but didn't open it. So let's check it out. Oh wow. Nice case, and yeah, it's quite heavy. Actually, it's quite heavy. See, WD has been written there. This is Western Digital, and how it looks. And USB plugs, USB charger is there. So we'll use it. 2 ports with this lid, and here is the guide. So you can check WD backup, WD security, WD drive utilities, and this is actually very nice. So let's open it up. Okay, a big page instruction. So I'll give you the live example. Let's go and connect with my laptop. So watch, stay tuned. And yes, one more thing I wanted to tell you. This is the bag, which is not free. I got it separately, and here is the price, which has been written 999. I think I got in 600 or 700 something. So this case is also very nice because you can keep it here, and this will like in the safe hands. See, you can keep it here like this, and you can put your USB here, then lock it up. So now here's the time for the live demo. So let's go. It's loading here. Okay, you'll get 2 options: install Discovery for Mac and install Discovery for Windows. So this is my Windows HP touch laptop. This is touch screen exactly. This is if you got it from US, this is very nice. If you want to brief description about this, then I'll tell you in another video. So let's start with this. So whenever you'll attach this, then you'll get 2 options. Yes, so first one is install Discovery for Mac, install Discovery for Windows. So we'll click on install Discovery for Windows, and it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Yes, you can click on yes. Why? Because you should allow to download all the settings, all the setup files into your laptop. So that's why you need to click on yes. Let's see what will come up next. Yeah, so here is the notification. My passport 2626 is set up, ready. So now you need to connect it and you need to install it. Here is the message to install, so you need to click on install now. You don't need to share your information, so do not share. Yeah, really, if you don't want to share, yes, I'm sure. So there's no internet connection. I'll connect with my Wi-Fi, then I'll let you know, then I'll get back. Yeah, so here you can see, if you want to like copy any document file, like I'm going to copy this M3 file to passport, then just drag it over here and see, it has been copied. Like space is the folder and it had been copied. Fine. And you want to play the song, then you can listen this here. Wow, the amazing song. Okay, so here how it works. Say thumbs up, and this is very nice product because it's for 4 TB space in the memory, so it's wonderful. What else you want? Thank you, bye bye. See, here you can see it's showing downloading, and because network is slow, so it's showing 4%, 5%. So keep your content in synchronize. Downloading is still on. 4, 5, 6, 7. It will go on till 100. So I'll tell you once it finishes. Just do it fast. Still is showing enhance your experience with apps, and downloading is 18%, 19%. It will go on. We'll wait till the time 20%. So yeah, downloading completed 100%, and now installing process has been started. See if you can easily check it out. There's the installation process. 0, 18% done. And yes, meanwhile I can tell you about this drive also. See, there is a small mini tiny light. You can check if the light is on, then it's working. See, it's blinking right now because set of files are going to download. Yes, we'll wait till the time it finish. Yes, so 45%, still it's on. So here you can check the notification, what exactly I've got right now. Storage device, important data import, my cloud home, sign in. So my passport, that is 80% available. Wow, very nice. So you can set a password from here. So you need to click on next, again next, then again next, then again next. So if you want to import the data, then you can import it from here. Okay, and here's the app information. Again, you need to just connect with the laptop, connect with the Wi-Fi, and after that you will get one notification, or you can say the desktop icon over here. So you can simply click on this. If you want to open it up, then it will be open here. See, if yeah, so you need to sign in. If you are going to like import all the document, all the data in your cloud home, then you need to download it, and now it's 100% available. See, here is the folder. So thumbs up to this amazing, wonderful hard drive. Just go for it. Bye bye. I hope you like it. And one more thing I wanted to show you, there's a setting app over here. There's a setting icon over here. You need to click on this, and there is the option of resource and more. Then you need to click over here. So the version name or the model name will be available here, and here's the user manual. So if you are like going to confuse somewhere, so you just need to click over here, then the user manual will be available.